Hello everyone, I'm back with another unboxing video, and today we're gonna unbox the let's unbox it. I'm gonna use my nails. There we go. The case looks nice. So this one is the floating hand grip, and this is the quick grip. We have the thumb screw here, and we have the head strap. So this is the head strap, and the camera going to be mounted here, and we have the quick clip. This is just to clip the camera to your backpack or to your cap or so many other things. And of course this is the thumb screw to just tie down your camera. And honestly I don't know what this one is, and let's see if there is anything else inside the box. No, nothing else. So I'm gonna leave the box here. I'm gonna put these on the side. Yeah, I'm gonna figure out about this one anyway. In just a couple of days or weeks after using this one for a couple of times, I'm gonna just review the product, and until then I think I gotta figure out what this one is. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the future videos.